3 ingredients. That's all it takes to make one of the greatest pasta dishes on earth. Cacio e pepe. Cheese and pepper. It sounds simple, but getting it right, that's where most people fail. Today, I'll show you the authentic Roman technique that turns two humble. For 4 servings, you need 1 pound of tonnarelli or spaghetti, 3 cups of finely grated Pecorino Romano, and 2 tablespoons of whole black peppercorns. That's it, 3 ingredients. Let's go. Step 1. The pepper. Toast whole black peppercorns in a dry skillet over medium heat for about 2 minutes until they become fragrant. Then crush them. Not a powder. You want coarse, irregular pieces. Use the bottom of a pan or a mortar and pestle. The texture matters. Set aside half for the sauce and half for finishing. Step 2. Boil the pasta. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Drop in your tonnarelli or spaghetti. Cook it 2 minutes short of the package time. Very al dente. Here's the critical part. Before you drain, reserve 2 full cups of pasta water. This starchy water is liquid gold. It's what makes the sauce work. Step 3. The crema. This is where everyone messes up. Put your grated pecorino in a large bowl. Add a small ladle of warm pasta water. Not boiling, warm. Stir it into a thick, smooth paste. Add more water little by little, stirring constantly until you get a creamy consistency like heavy cream. This is your crema di pecorino. No lumps. If you dump hot water on the cheese, it clumps. Patience is everything. Step 4. Bring it together. Add a splash of pasta water to the skillet with your crushed pepper. Let it simmer for 30 seconds. Now add the pasta directly from the pot into the skillet. Toss it in the pepper water for 1 minute, letting the pasta absorb that flavor. Kill the heat completely. Wait 30 seconds for the pan to cool slightly. Now pour the crema over the pasta and toss vigorously. The residual heat melts the cheese into the sauce without breaking it. If it's too thick, add more pasta water. If it's too thin, keep tossing. It will thicken. Step 5. Serve immediately in warm bowls. Top with the reserved crushed pepper and a shower of extra pecorino. Cacio e pepe waits for no one. Cacio e pepe is ancient. While carbonara was born in the 1940s, cacio e pepe has been feeding Romans for centuries. Shepherds in the hills of Lazio carried dried pasta, pecorino, and black pepper because these ingredients were lightweight, didn't spoil, and packed massive flavor. It was survival food, portable energy for men walking sheep across the mountains. The name is pure Roman dialect. Cacio means cheese, pepe means pepper. No fancy French technique, no complicated story, just shepherds, sheep cheese, and pepper. What's remarkable is that this dish hasn't changed. The recipe today is identical to what those shepherds made hundreds of years ago. Like carbonara, cacio e pepe is Roman to its core. It belongs to the Quattro Piatti, Rome's 4 sacred pasta dishes. The Pecorino Romano comes from sheep grazing on the wild herbs of the Lazio countryside, giving the cheese its distinctive, sharp, salty character. And the black pepper? Rome was historically one of Europe's great spice trading centers. Pepper was precious, almost currency. Putting it in a simple pasta dish was a statement. Even humble Roman food has dignity. Cacio e pepe is rich and peppery, so your wine needs to be crisp and refreshing. My top pick, a cold Frascati from the Castelli Romani. Same pairing territory as carbonara, and for good reason. The minerality cuts right through the cheese. For something different, try an Est 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 di Montefiascone, a classic Lazio white that's light, dry, and incredibly drinkable, usually under $15. Or go with a Verdicchio dei Castelli di Jesi from Le Marche. Aromatic, with a slight almond finish that plays beautifully against the pepper. Serve everything. 3 ingredients. Centuries of tradition. 1 perfect plate. That's cacio e pepe. The dish that proves simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Try it at home, tag Capisce Cooking, and show me what you've got. Next time we're tackling another Roman classic. Which one? You'll have to subscribe to find out. Capisce? Grazie, ciao!